What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 5 in the version of 44mm. This is an upgraded version of the Apple Watch Series 4 with the difference of a compass and Always-On Retina display. As you can see, it comes in a big box, but inside it, the classic Apple white box. I did record this video about a month ago, and I'm using this watch so I can tell something about it. And it's really cool. It's awesome to use. In fact, the battery, it's really good. I use the whole day without problems, and when I go to sleep, when the promise to sleep assistance, it's just a promise by Apple, take it on charging and I get it in the morning in the other day. So the battery, it's really good for my use. I like to work out using it. It's really precise, the display of 44mm, and the straight of the lights, it's good, even if you are under the sun. I like to use the Spotify apps on it, for example, while the activity apps, and works really fast. The setup was really simple. And the always-on display, it's a bit more darker when you are not looking to the watch, but if you straight your arms, you're gonna see the display and the colors stronger and lighter, so you can see it even under the sun. Even while it looks like a little and maybe weak, it's not. It's really strong and too resistant for an Apple product. The watch comes with two bracelets. I got the sports version. That is normally the cheapest one. It comes with a default one and another for bigger or smaller arms or hands. I really enjoyed the product, and in fact it's the best smartwatch that you can have, especially if you are an iPhone user. It's a must-have thing to wear, and as well it's really fancy. Now I'm gonna show the process to assemble the bracelet. It's really simple, in fact, and even if you assign it in another format, the watch OS system has options to left or right arms and to bottom or up or top, so you can change the display location according to the arm where you want to use it on. Now I'm gonna show the process to set it up using your iPhone. which was basically just take your phone next to the watch and follow the steps. The old and good next, next, and next. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for new unboxing videos and more unboxing videos, and our visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you later. All the best!